Some mina kwa Badwam Mpensenpensemu brother dus na ya wada said ya wada bia edroye ne Adom 106.3 FM Kabum na edjumedi aso the People's Forum abro ya ba potem behwe niema ekoso ewo potem ya owo ne akama mpanfat ne tu anamode ma but meme da edi em se bibia to na akwam dia NDC amyoko ekwa abato so akoto aba ayi Franka Tuni enochi obeto aba nso ede ayi mrahye won ne begirima prema hye yakonyade amomo afimpimie no ene adwunu nan abato no emu etine ede ni edi ehye yakopim ewo ningo prampram nkrampompene mantem hanom na yahwese ne ho abato no ebeko ede afane asahwe empuntunyusem ewo ningo prampram ene ne importe but em fana sekese koma Franco Trading Enterprise phone de papa na dwosuo ene ehonom open phone be chede am say iPhone Samsung Nokia ena wo pa Franco Trading Enterprise TV 32 to 65 inches oko Franco Trading Enterprise onsa ebeka bi auto ewo ehodom sanso na air conditioner pa ye de Franco air conditioner ba kama pa etweka ne yaketo bi na madam achele e de amount bibia ne afre papa Franco ewo 0246 422 338 0246 422 338 Franco Trading Enterprise still phone papa efie and hodom Adom TV Adom FM na fe Asempa 94.7 FM ye ne fried vegetable oil na fe 40 rice akamu de afi and na pa ye dwumade no broadcast kwesi da 14th of May 2023 na anyomtofo a eba se bi Moses okay ampofo eje band ene bebo saba na makacho so oka enema pa de bo band pa dia menim obi o wonema echa ampofo je band dada akwesi ampofo je delete ne ba na say ampofo je ne ban ho asem na meken PSA Esther Afei ohine ba kisimu nyina enso ejirejirem mami ayiko dwumade wona aso asene de ebrew fried vegetable oil da 14 rice what account be Franco Trading Enterprise Zentokit multivitamin Niche Confectionery Access Bank Diamond Beauty Soap from Bamino Duffy's Health and Beauty Actigard free agromoti na fe eva magna ko bebre keka ho a yakwa enu amabo nyina de akyerew na obia mo de emama afi mami ayiko dwumade no atimi awie peye edem answer be de enu akire ningo prampram no ni nyina fa NDC amyeko abatu mami ko zoom na mene Deputy General Secretary ma NDC amyeko Mohammed Bandi enkodi enkomo emfa omabaton se memreda ebeba so anase emma so Peniati ayese Dr. Kwabredufo ede asem na kopim asem ni bia court ede ahye so ochina obetena asem ni so what will be the way forward for Saturday Owura Mohammed Bandi so ultimate kan o mute ni etimi ni nkomo bokọ de okay bokọ de
me ya otie me
metonka
aye de radi asese ya ti ase
okay we phone ha okay but that's says any NDC tita for person mo hello okay near NDC tita for person mo hu ni say say eda memre da mo primaries no ebeba so
yo me da sena me da watefu nyina nso ase memre da hyehyɛ no de ya de bibia to akwan in compliance with the elections regulation ya vetting and clear aspirants. They are decentralizing election throughout the country. They are providing all the logistics that is required. Yanya EC that is supposed to be the referee of the election. We have provided them everything that we have to give. In accordance with this.
Hello?
In accordance, all has been given a delegate list. And Kayeni here building a supplementary document, a friend album. Now, yet the process. Now, and also, Yama copies aspirants Nina Omunya about 80% of it. As at yesterday, the remaining was ready. But don't forget, sir, aspirants on Saka delegates list, 6 clear weeks from now. 6 clear weeks. Now, Albon no plan ye complete na ye win na. And no plan almost Saka 80% 2 weeks ago. And no eka ho na Obenyi Kobran the full team no koye analysis. In the analysis, they use the master list, which is the delegates list, to compare with a Albon no who said among errors be. To among the errors no by. And yet, you know, meeting and an elections committee air sure one said. Ye ko niya ko ye enema wo mo ka ho asem ya hwene ya siesie ni nyina na ka ade bechiro near the remaining 50 albums and the account 225 now one. Now we can proceed forward. So issues about album and yet substantive to the regulation of the election. Omufi meeting ho ana
hello
yama enti omo de woman sem ko da deputy general secretary na onhwema ho
okay
womo throw letter no the following day and I want to court.
Okay. Mr. Bandi, before you call on Bandi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, before you call a one person, you way. Now, by Babeduni, yes, say electoral commission so say or pulling out until some resolve issues be a one will be before Saturday. Or China Yanity, yes, sir, court to a better as seminal eso. Sir, Mokona and Kona send a more pen on what will be the way forward?
Yeah, agreement. Sir, Obeke election no fama. Apart from all the issues I had easy one in the past.
Yeah.
Because the best election here transparent, you know. They are called now also on election. So they were right to say, sir, because of the court, they are pulling out.
Okay.
Even though we that it was a hasty decision. Nankabe said. Or then Chama come now one winner. Now they will sample him. So back out.
Hello?
Election. Near EC baby logistics, ever do constituencies. And they say an answer. Yeah. We believe that because we are in compliance with the processes,
yeah,
the court will give us the opportunity to go and host our Congress because repercussions now and that anymore and also power.
So it means say court no cry because of the repercussions, you know, you might go ahead elections, you know.
What him said, EC is not right when it withdraws from the election because the election is one part the presidential and another part the parliamentary. Parliamentary election is not in court. It is a presidential now. The parliamentary election still stands, so the EC's withdrawal from the election itself is problematic. But because we don't believe that, you know, there's anything that can happen.
Okay.
So we are not having that conversation now. And the other trainer, Echirano, Yami Adom near court. Near the court back.
Okay. But
let me put it on record, say. National Executive Committee, I said the other say, remember aspirant to be a delegate list. Dr. Kwabena Duffuor and the team has taken delivery of that delegates list 6 weeks ago.
Okay.
And Rabokrano,
but
yes, I'm
Bandi.
for one more. Say one more meeting and can resolve issue. One say one more. And am I a team if he said I didn't beat our which year is more than seeking to address challenges of the election.
But Bandi, I better see you resume your brain. I join another pay. I'm here. Mohammed Bandi, Deputy General Secretary ma NDC. I'm here. I'm saying the train come war. Zumenano pay. What they can say one. Electoral Commission pull out of elections no and term issue. Because there's nothing at stake. Two. Simple say presidential prime minister kan ho aba asem what about the parliamentary the electoral commission free when there's also a parliamentary elections or say pen for echo na yisi no ehwe esum they believe said Dr. Kwabena Duffuor in the team there's an ulterior motive there's a dream po bi won your moye not just because some person resolve challenges bia e wonum Yanko old Ningo Pram Pram eho and a chief Jerry Force in a pam for Ayakrado. Yanko Dieko so honor.
The Adom 106.3 FM. So and the Amobiache, baby, I was showing free, baby, I would see a free Shannon so and then may Busomeno, then they tosso Edubako the 11th of May 2023. Sir Yawa de Drew say, not no watching Bope, the People's Forum. And they brought maybe I will be ano my enda was say so do a video no or they to radio and answer TV na o share etie between the chief Jerry Force and so man said the People's from Jumedie and ye nam so na ye de radio eben aboboa no esan sem pempi do say ya make no ye bie phone lines e radio ni TV so a anyu obi ano nya kwanya efre e kane how enti ye hwe baby a ohaw ewo ana so baby a bibi e koso a edi se omanfo etie no na ye the People's from Jumedie ye de abaha enti enesa wo hwe na wutie a my was stay with us for the next 1 hour or more na fe yemfa ne ekoso yemfa mro mbidin ni bio at the chief Jerry Force mbe bisa se ene ehemfa ne wo ye de kan dia to anim ye wo old Ningo ewo Ningo Pram Pram constituency old Ningo ewo Ningo Pram Pram constituency ene ye did the People's from Yedifia, ye de Brewo, and ye buy 3 major issues. And Edia Babidru Hanuma, or man for Hanumunti, ye know Mubachimu and Como, near the kind, Miami Bahanumin, Mehu se, Aquanya Ewaha, and ye, in fact, somebody what you quite check a crime, Baha the last time was before the 2020 election. Ye be the big debate, Ewa Dumefem, Ewa Hanum. Now, in fact, inner town roads near Diano, na Eyara, na Eye. Na baby I call people a big debate na dey now to akwan no yara but eney say wo hwe machi ha akwan da hai ekọ chopoli ekwan ne nyanya in fact ya share videos bi a ansa na ba be join feed no a wo hwe kwan no du ba bi a the way amoamoa na kwan no aye hu a eye major issue ha no man pay ya ba be di hu nkomo wo hwe trucks tipper trucks no a mo twa anya no chopoli kwan ya so no mo nam enti kwan ne yakasa ide asai kra amanfo na wa hanoma won be kasa mu e de amayen enti the first issue akwan mesa so efa anwem ofa ekire hanoma kwan no ekọ anwem eho na the honorable member of parliament honorable Sam Nete George eho no free ekwan no so enye kra a chese kwan no so etutuo enti the first issue anapai ye be ka ho asem akwan and how it is affecting the daily lives of the people in this constituency. Ye free akwan no so aha ye predominantly a fishing area and say nipa no man dodo no apono amko yinam premix fuel and so ho abasem a ye ka say nia me ba me maso ato formatete ne say se akwan say kotokubo ogbo no say unu animu a ye mpase o enti hyanin so say eno so yɛbɛka ho asɛm premix who ɔno nso so ɛwɔ hɔ no yɛbɛka ho asɛm apofo ni bi wɔ ha no ma yɛne ɔmo ɛbɛkasa. And then the last but not the least and so sɛnea nyinaa anim no nyame adoma memenda ɛbɛyi ɛna ndc amayɔkuo no wɔn ɛkɔ na wɔn akɔto aba primaries ɛde ayi parliamentary candidates and afei the presidential candidate ɛno nso so ɛbɛka ho asɛm wohwɛ a ningo prampram ɛyɛ one of the 36 constituencies a ɛwɔ the greater Accra region ha both internally and national elections no ayɛ ana emu ahye paa eti yɛbɛhwɛ na afei this year the incumbent member of parliament Samuel Nete George ɛna afei Michael Kwete Tete wamo edi ebebo ani primaries yi nyame adoma memenda no wamo kofo nso so beba na ene wamo atwetwe enkomo. So stay with us. Facebook Adom TV, Facebook na say Adom 106.3 FM ewo Facebook na fa comment ne to ebeje be na fa yakenkan e de amount ye be hye ekwan no ho enkomo twetwe no ase me wo former assembly member bi wo hanom a na me ne no twetwe enkomo se me ne be hye enkomo no ase wi a na fa ye ne okadafo no ato aso na pa ye ba ye o ma hu se me kan no twetwa no ho ha ene on be hye enkomo no ase na fa yakọ a driver for no so eso na fa ye de ekwan no ho enkomo no ye de ato ato so say wie pe na fa ye de premix fuel no enkomo no so do ato aso na ye de politics no so e de awie ma me ne former assembly man mene no entwetwe nkomo obani Adom TV Adom 106.3 FM so ni e fro saying
e fro me honorable Amek Inati.
Okay, oh yeah, former assembly man for Ningo Prampram
ni pache Ningo ha watch it electoral area.
Okay, yeah. All right, eti yan shase and kwan no na me ka say 2 years ago before 2020 elections me ba ha no na kwan no enti say but it looks like se si ano kwan no asay kra wo hwe ne da echi a ekotopoli a honorable
no cre 2012 on no honorable yitimesa no cre or the asphalt be fa kwano so fefe maye but see ano your challenges ayenya wo ha ne say tipes na wo mu to anwa no wo ha no ne other things no ama wo ma sell kwano because of the weight na wo mu wo no ntino ama wo ma sell kwano nyina amaye na in fact ni wo ha no no na your development na ya na wo form because na to say wo mu ye nyama bi ma ye say chance na wo mu ye
Nema bensa yantutu
akwan any electricity who asem ni market say in fact ya tumi youth no buy no ya tumi organize am say market no ba ya more structures di mama no say awukọ ye mpo anu no nso a ya premise nsem kitinkitin bi wo ho. Okay,
yan stay with akwan no minim say trucks here omfa kwan so yi wo mutua bibi de ma assembly no anameboa
one mutia but ono no entumi wa because ono no fees assembly charge a one mutia but se sia no sa wa unim say akwan ya district assembly way for instance ontumi nya akwan way ye fasui nti ye hia oba no mo say oba be ye kwan no ma se sia no kwan so sea defense for no wo ya sea defense no wo mu so fa so bi na ye nim say ye the contract ma because of sa nyama no nti no ye ma wo mu wi a wo mu ye nti dia to abana ni mu say yes o ma say wo mu wie si defense any anwa no na anwa no de menya sure say o me start o me stop
on be wie on be giant na
yes nti no ye hwe kwan a in fact sometime ago na ka ye ka cho so mu kofa highway no so nso ka a wo mu fi ye nti ye be pa cho say wo me hwe na wo ma ye akwan no di amaye because wo ba hu
mama hu nia ekọ anhwam nia ekọ topoli enye kra
se say opinfo bi nyim sebi na e ba emergency na ye say ambulance fa so wa wo be hu
ntimi fa so portal say de dem no but e sha se nkakra no anamamba na mutu you are former assemblyman na say wa ha me ne bekasa but e sha se tipa trucks no e di anwaka yi enam so no anamamba na mutu fa ho
na ka onu na me ka afi ase say na ka ye stop wo mu say bebia wo mu fa anwa no eni highway ni ben nti anka wo mu nkọ ho no mu wo mu fa nkọ ho no mu ba wo ka ayese contractors na wo mu to anwa no wo mu fa anya adwuma ya ayese wo mu fa anya adwuma ba ka me kwa me wanka in fact enya de ayese wo mu fa kromu because the nature of the track no any the weight na as weight no ma kwa no se sia wo mu yere se wo ma anya ni papa e be san say because sa na si wo dodo wa tama wo mu to anwa no nti e be sre sanka contractors wo meti ase na nka wo ma fa highway so se de be ya kwanu bet me high me say me driver ni me
car be na ofi
me car commercial car high empire into your best repa sanka omu ye won bebe ma.
Okay, yeah ka say tipa baako na onam so a oba no uhwe waiter ode nam kwan no so a beautymen ana quota om de kwan no ni nyina nane amoamoa se wo anim kakra ochopoli kwan so amafa ho nyina quota no ni nyina amoamoa uhwe anim ha yi kura uhwe sane anim hanom aye na saa na kwan no ni nyina aya edini nyina kwa anim honom eti se tracks no efa so na se quota no ni nyina amoamoa se ya ukọ inside ho a ho saa na kwan ni nyina etia ha adwene papa enti yene former assemblyman awie yenko na fe yene okadafo no ento ankomo no so na fe yewie a yede aba a driver for no so ana better say betimi a chance fi driver for no so na fe yewie a yede akowie okadafo no so ma momra na yene mo nkasa driver for no momra mo antini ade dwumade na ba ha obani morning.
Good morning.
Your first saying
Stephen Kwenoti.
Over Stephen, who your driver?
Aye.
Okay. Kwan no sani etie sisi ne ekotopoli ne ekọ anhwam ene kwan inner town roads no akasankasa no oha be na de mamo driver for no.
Ha wo ye pa enye ne ache ye kan omu nya ni hu hwi amaye. Nti kwan no enye akọ chopoli akọ lekpongu no side ahwam kra ni nyina nye ye kan sa mu ntumi nye.
Okase maka mokatre enhefo
opinfo ne wo kromu no ni MP ni asebre mamu omo no nyina wo kromu ye kan sa muntumi nye na but eko chopoli no obi na efa ni kotoku muska na obeboa ye kakra ni small boy na oboa ye kakra echi de ka no ati obi ani hobio.
Okay. Mejidi say ya twhwe nkomo no nsem bi say bi ho ma maybe say wopani bra. Bra. Good morning.
Fine morning, sir.
Your first saying?
Manonati.
Of Ayima? Oh, your driver?
By driver.
Ukuta taxi bi.
No, me a trotto driver, chief driver.
Oh, your chief driver. Ewa ha.
Yeah.
Okay. E say aka ben ekuta o.
Samikra Smita.
Ukra printer. And so ofa kwan yi so ekotopoli ni ade. E kwan na te saying?
Oh, e kwan no nye kra. E how is cars no kra. Enti ema even passengers no kra oba no omu timi ye we kra. Enti omu ba even instead omu tu kwan kra e kwan no kra muntu. Enti ema ye kra ye
e kwan na asai nti amanfo tu kwan amomfo ka.
Yes, omu fu ka no bi. Enti free aha akotopore akọ lekponu no nyina kwan no nye. Enti cars no kra ema even omukoto ade kra budget omukoto ade kra omuntimi ko eti omufa okada omu ba na okada den de ye omom kakra enti ma aduma no enye kra
na se ano person che okada for no ejemu driver for no aduma e sign kwan na enye ni.
Yes, okada no mo ade ye aduma ni nyina eti because of road na enye no eti ye break kwa ye play kwan no because of
of my mammy that's a chief driver ewo station hanum and ene no atwetwe enkomoro pani bra driver for no wa habibre ye ne obi abekasa senior explain
Bacho
your friend saying
me di Samuel Temensa.
Okay, oh your driver wa ha
Bacho
kuta cabin
mikuta 207
e kwan no ene adwuma wo ye how many times now auto spare parts and in them because of senior kwan no etie nti sami
oh ewo nyame ni mu enkware we de yesi ye beka ebia na obi beka se ya kan dodo by mu ba no se mu fa chuporio ana mu fa new nungo free new nungo up to bebe fi ya bridge na no antana be mu de mani be den be hu bi nti adadin de enyo bi ne beka ye nyina ye de ani hwe na mom ya krom haso eya ni obua no na nyam ye den ebua no penyifo no mo da ye ne mo be hwe ne manso no bibi pase ana omo pese omo be de ebe hu djuma enya esi wa nyina esi
penyifo ben sa
penyifo ti say asebre man any leaders just in patch say leaders no se na mo be bibi na so omo be hwe na omo be ma information se na mo bai
District Assembly Ewaha. One we are aware of this situation. Member of Parliament and so Ewaha. Also aware of this situation. One you campaign for now turn. I say body now come leadership.
Leadership say as every month. And I say DC. Chese mi pa chese asafa chese mo omo krom nyina omo nyina eya mutumi to omo na nti omo nyina ho nti omo no mbe mai den omo be pushi ma sa ne ma we anka mu be bisa ye mu ban na ye mu fa ase na mo so mu hu no totron.
But aban chese this year is year of roads. Why akwan bebre Ningo Pram constituency. Mujidi say muchafa e wasa year of roads no monsaka.
Oh, me pa show ewe ni diem ankwai de ba ko pe me pa che say ye radio mama ono na oye roadway man through arthright okoya nsana ebe sisi nti me
since 2016 former president Mahama ni NDC abani fee so no e kwan no aye say
me pa show sanity na mbetuye
medase yima medase pa opening bra Adom TV Adom 106.3 FM People's Forum and the free old Ningo Ningo Pram constituency the bro the chief Jerry Forson. Stay with us on Facebook Adom TV our Facebook and Adom 106.3 FM and so our Facebook now for foul comments to where Benjamin African kind Ediama over morning.
Good morning, sir.
You're saying?
Pacho FM Gaddafi Bakope.
Gaddafi Bakope.
Pacho.
We are driver.
Pacho me driver.
Champion driver.
Yes, see.
Bibi abokode.
Bokoda.
Good. Yan cheche kwai no ho enkomo. We are driver ni. How is kwai no nature no affect wa adwuma wo ye enu sales?
Pacho me brewa ho brasem. Efi adote, do ho nya adote. Am from water from Pampram Junction. Ebesi fa no gwa kopin chopoli ekwana Japan sam. Sa na efi ho san abesi ko ahwiam lekpo no. The same thing. Nti ekwan dem pacho ye ho problem wo ha bebre. Nti ba ko to azoba 3 days na say o ka enu bompa na twi na say. Ne so pass bu so aye den. O to nti agezi adwuma no ama esi ano. E bia won say ka akokura account me nko ho. Aje o kada for na na etimi ye den. Etimi ko. Nti ama say ka adwuma no kura asen wo kromu ha. Ye hu ye ni so aje o kada for na na chi say omutumu enye ne kakra. Nti o problem wo ye kwan ho pa me na da.
Me gidi say oye kunu oye eja oye father so so. Efie ti saying because of sani akwan no aye amana ha wadwuma no eti saying
mpacho me hu so kura efie nge kura na am da kura me ka asai crazy one mo because of wrong rule. Be ball amremu wo mutual hon mu side ho no amai say am for shop kura nti ha me affect me enya me nko ya nyina drivers ni nyina the sanity.
Okay opening medo as papa Adom TV Adom 106.3 FM ante bra madam bra ye ka kwan ho asem na ma no we ye ne ma no bi enkasa obeka ho asem okay official folk okay but am so kwan beka kwan no ho asem enam no mu ye de fa kwan so ante bra beka kwan no ho asem ni bi ye fro saying
actually your friend Doris who not
Auntie Doris
yes
a kwan no yan fa no nhase eti saying mo ye nam ho adwuma eti saying
actually kwan dia enye kra first no na e kwan no enye sa na eti but se sia dia kwan no asai kra asai tipa no ma kwan no asai eti se sia ye ni ye ho eti ye pese Sam Dodge ni Mahama aba power na nyina be okay maye eno ti na ye pese Sam Dodge ni Mahama mo bra power no mo be ye kwan no maye
all right oba ye bedo wase papa enti ye wa ha ye gusu etwetwe nkomo mbesa me kwa ha kakra ansana me wi amaba ha opani wa ha ono te kwan enchen pe oye mobile money ye mra ne ne mra twetwe nkomo no ye mbisa no oha ono so ofemu wa ha oye mobile money wa ha opani good morning what you saying
eyo
you from saying
achu
kwan yi sania aye ho pe na wo ye adwuma eto saying
language no mean too.
Okay, so what language would you want to speak?
If it's English or any other language.
Okay, so speak whatever language you want to speak.
Like, what's the question again?
So I want to find out how the nature of the road is affecting what you are doing here.
Oh, the nature of the road is affecting us. It's affecting us really, because even when I'm here, the tippers are passing. The vapor or the ducks that are passing is worrying us over here too much. and we can't even talk. Even when we talk, there's nothing we can do about it. And even when we talk, there's nobody that we can say to so that they can do anything about it. Yeah, so it's worrying us.
Okay, all right. Mami, and so and Katana for you, yeah, young Coquine at you, Auntie, Mamma Transia, it's saying,
Patria,
you're frozen.
Patria, Flemmy Keke.
Auntie Keke,
Papa,
a quino at the same, why me buy in Yamu at Monamotea at the same.
Quani de cry, who says they will now call baby cry, who bedroom baby are going to just say wife in Poto, dear Quani de cry.
Okay. Eti then I be catch a buying, then I be catch DC or then I be catch MP.
Sister, you never catch the MP in Sana Banny sell on your passion, your panicho, your one, yes, let me sell on why no see quine my and one.
I think it that's a pa, Medase. Adom TV, Adom 106.3 FM, the People's Forum, and I did brown until you ever caught straight across the road. Now for any more Mohon Muswaka still, yeah, war acquire so yeah, we are now for premix near the Kakava between, and then we zoom into politics. Bema,
what's that?
Let's say,
I'm not doing answer.
Now, okay.
I'm a coach of
Roglass in the Bafem Kakra, Roglass in the Bafem. Aha, Okotopoli.
But
a quite now go fast no winning so there.
A quite moment there, and a question. Yes, I don't TV, Madua, because a quite a near cry. Cover for them hot room. And I feel so kind of a phone. Because I'm acquiring into Scum with a dorsal. What comes acquiring the first almost petrol, but I said, don't make a petrol beam. The acquiring the Sram, more head on your mind.
All right. Opening, me that's a pa. Not just on that note, you better call premix home and some seminal. Nothing, you know, man for more hand so at your chin como. You buy any ayati and say premix no. Acquire any more, Kotokubo, but Unianima. Yam paso sana premix no akwaye nti ene amanfo yi ebetwetwe nkomo benfo ya mamon money o aha eti ye be share premix nkomo no ase antikeke Doris okay premix no previously na ehon hihye no etisen
oh sesi a premix ni boy di first no enam no ye tonu we 50 Ghana ni 35 sesi a 215 rubber no enti sesi a enam no ye tumi anto first no premise no andrew baby a sesi a no premise no e ko high yellow rubber no ye tonu first no ye tonu 80 Ghana ni 50 70 cedi sesi a 4.5 e koso pa enti nam no so mo di ba na rubber no ye tonu 50 Ghana ni 35 ya say ye to ye di come market ya nya profit say say de ye to na ye di come market ya nya ska omo nto so omo anto ni boy di enti ye pa cha mo ya bibi fa homa ye pa cho
okay enti na say a premix no embanti amanam ne boy din
pa cho ai
okay me da say pa opening but say
ikama Sudangbe
obey Sudangbe on Mate, eti premix no ho asem no eti sen ka dangbe
plateau ne ebe nganu go em no plateau ebe ke e ma ba ka amra mi epa loji wa na asiake enyo plateau ko ma yelo akio wa yole 4 million lo ane ko wa won ba lo ejwa ewa lo bi o wo e mo le plateau le bebe kla wonye wa yuska la mi pa ko lo na mi epa loji wa na plateau siake ne plateau ke ba mi onu mana 16 galo lo ojo yen 20 million ojo mana 16 galo lo plateau nge wa go em lo ejwa ebe un lo na ejwa wa lo ne ngwa nya gba aju lo ne na madre wo ka ma pe o na pe wechi wo lo ngwa nya gba
okay enti se me to say na person ok say fuel no anase premise no ebi ni ho ne bo ayeden e ban so amoton 400 Ghana cedis me bo a e ban so a be chance na foforo asan so aba me ba to premise committee ebi wa ha
ko na wala chobe o ana committee
committee wa ha nto am ya aware of situation ya ekoso
anga aware
okay maybe as a politics be aba premix no ne distribution ni musa na hunu
dabi ne police konge se kamare ke no ko badas ke ko dabi akeke esubia ma woli plateau lo ibenye mare ke no ko jeye ne ba ga no ko pe ne mayo udase
Okay. Ebeda so hina Mponsa wa ha enti ono ne me translator ewie bibia obekire mu dia man. Ma me ne fisher folks no bi wan. Me ne omo enkasa. Me ne omo nkasa na fe yenko yenim. But ohene Mponsa bra na ensam opani no e de etu dwa no yembo ne tofa.
Yo CJ Midase ensam a wode tu dwa nyina ne se social premix no se dia econom and eba was said dodo a wo muhia no wo munya saa dodo no obehwe na ebia ya che na nipa kuma bi enenya ebie o se kufo gallon yellow no se omoto a ba kan no na moto no 70 cedis na yi omoto no 400 cedis na no no ba ko ba bosomi ba ko a age se bosomi miensa na bosomi nsiechi ansa na motimi anya enu nti no so mokoto na boarding no a eto da bi krampo a omoto fango a edigu ehyen mu na omode akọ na omode kọ na so omoba na se omobeyi omosika omode ahyemu anase bibi ehyemu anase omodwatri ni nyina na yesa asane omonye sika no nti no adwuma no eya bafam enu nti omosre mpanifo se ebeya mpanifo mbra na wonhwe ne che no nso se wonu anim a yese kokofu bọọbọ wonu anim a ye mpaase o enu nti no se premise committee na beche ni ye na mo de dodo no aba na e beche no aso obi aso a esa ne se obi wo kra no obega koto saa nipa kro no se bi onko epuni bi eno so beto no de ne kakra to so ansa na wo de ama omanfo no ni nyina no ya de ha eye won a wokọ po no nti
medase ohina Mponsa ma mene opani odi ho no twetwe ko opani Adom TV Adom FM so ni good morning
misu your friend ni
bacho premix no okopo ana
me yedwuma wo mpona no
wo yedwuma opona no edwuma be na wo ye
just me help mu ko ba se misu me nya imchefa.
All right nti premix no asem no etesen wo opona no
premix no asem de edin my because emma ti se na ye be kompo ene ye beto na de akọ mpo won e bia na ye ko lorry card no ni boarding si premix no na ye be kompo so ye to petrol no dodo si cars won nti wo se de bia no ye petrol no emra maye na ye nya bi na ye nto ye tumi kopo ene ye be to petrol be drum yenu ana 1.5
drum near say
drum no is how many gallons is 60 gallons inside enti etumi kopo ene yet me use about say 24 million 30 million and 30 million say uti ase yakoba ya nyanam ochina yakoba ya nyanam ba se da na meba no na premise ni ho ya de be kompo
oh sana na koye e da na mbeba no munya premise
ni ho premise ni beba so a na de afa ba bi omu to maye omu de ahye dem mu omu di mama de ahye dem mu
ehefo na de mama etirata se eye no krese akoye se kokofu bọọbọ ye hwehwe anim ye hwehwe anim ansa na
ya ma obi eye se na ukana no omu de ahye dem mu ukoto asa obeso 70 Ghana no no akoto 2 million am I bre
but the premise committee or Hamasen Bisane say omo ya aware of such situation near air course premise committee premise for now no more yes and sana person mutire premise for ni aware
omo ya aware pa omo nyina nim se ukoto ade ubanya profit was so enti sa no mo ye omo ya
mame ne opani wi amesan ba mo ho
ya na company for omo dey anu no omo kasa wo de we hu ma ye nso omo ntumi nka omutumi nka yanim na eti na ekomu ansu de bia ye vote ye hu vote na ye vote nu faso kra ene obeko djuma wanye bi ochino obeko djuma wanye bi masa di maye ti premise no mi dem bo mpona no enu hu hia mi pa pamcho
so me that's papa enti on the first two issues but momon say mano the first two issues I dealing with akwan no any premix no me were the assemblyman for Ngwachicha.
Yes sir.
Okay, old ningo. Okay. You're from saying
Adom.
See for mama, that's why I think me. You speak English? Untichi. Okay, Tibra. Okay. So the first issue has to do with the nature of your roads. very terrible. How did this come about, and what have you, as the assemblyman, done about the situation?
Thank you very much. Is it Adom TV or what?
Adom TV, Adom FM.
Yes, Adom TV, Adom FM. Thank you very much. May God bless you for coming here. As we said earlier, I know one former man spoke about this road, and what he said is true. At first, it wasn't like that. But you can see that the tipper truck that are using this road, they destroyed the road. At first, it wasn't like that. But what was the tipper truck that are using the road, they destroyed the road. And
but who allowed these tipper trucks on your road?
For that, I can't tell. For that one, I can't tell. I can't tell. Because I may say, they also pay tax, so they can also use the road. But for me, my concern is, if you see, for me, if it would me, like I was saying that those pass the other side, the Chopol road, because since they are using this road, they are destroying the road. They are destroying it. So for me, what I said is, they should use the other side of the road. That's Chopol road, the main one, so that here will be safe. And as is aware of it, we've complained with several to them. Since I'm a several man.
When was the last time you reported this situation? You sent a complaint?
Several times, several occasions. The person to the assembly, the DC is aware of it. The DC is aware of it. He's fully aware of it. He's aware. The DC is aware of it, and nothing has been about it. We complained to them several times, but yes, still nothing has been about it. That's it.
Okay, all right, and then we will. Okay, let's deal with the route. There's another assemblyman here. Assemblyman back also so aha. Ono so no ebetwetwe nkomo. Opening Adom TV, Adom FM suni. Everything.
My name is Honorable Noknate Bosu.
Also on TV. Okay, all right. So let's talk about the nature of your roads. Where assemblyman for him?
From Jangmaako Old Ningo.
Jangmaako Old Ningo. Tell us about the nature.
Yeah, the problem about the road is very, very serious, because this road was constructed. The road is there before, but it was reshuffled during John Dramani Mahama area, and it was asphalted. So during three years ago, when they started the sea defense, the heavy trucks that pass on the road has destroyed the road. So even last 3 weeks, because in the assembly I'm part of the work subcommittee committee, so we took a tour to look at all the road, the problem that faces the road in Ningo Pram. We tore the road.
Okay, so what would you want to tell the necessary authorities, the assembly, the MP, and government for that matter?
Okay, this road is above the MP, but it's the duty of the government through district chief executive that will do the road. And as part of West subcommittee meeting in the assembly, we took this opportunity to call the contractor of sea defense, but he also gave us an assurance that surely before the project will come to an end, he will come to the site.
But I believe that as a community, you should take up an initiative towards this road. What community initiative have you taken on this road?
Oh yeah, the road is above us.
There's nothing you can do about it as a community.
As community, there's nothing we can do about this road. Because what the community have to do is to re-gravel it, and the DCE and the Traditional Council came together to reshuffle part of it, and some individual also helped to reshuffle part of it. But this one for the asphalting and those things is above the community level.
Okay, next year is an election year. Will you be surprised to see works ongoing on this road because it's an election year?
Yeah, I will not be surprised. If I see anything like that, I will not be surprised.
Is that going to change your perception about the government? Maybe change how you are going to vote in the election?
Yeah, it will depend. It will depend. It will depend. But as at now, as we know, here is NDC stronghold. So I don't think anything can change that too much. But it will depend how the situation may go.
Thank you very much. But as a part, you go so I train and come on. You share premix, no. Nafi, you train and so on. Come on, Nafi, you are young company for Aka Soho. Honorable, on the issue of premix fuel and the distribution, you have a role to play, right? As an assemblyman.
Yes, please. But for the premix, I don't want to say anything about it, but I don't know much about it, so I don't want to say much about it.
If you say you don't know much about it, how do you mean?
No, what I mean is, we have committed that handled that issue, that premises. We have committed that handled that one. That's why I said I don't want to say much about that one.
Okay. All right. Okay. So let's do this. Maybe we may want to zoom into the politics. Obani bra, also bra. A couple premise in whom politics. One. All right. Now we are getting into the politics. Now me aduma primaries. Koso. In the Ningo Pram constituency, 2 major candidates, the incumbent Samuel Nete George and Michael Kwete Tete. And Omu age na anti Niadre, ya the hormone so eba beso so. Me say me wo Jata supporters wa ha. Me wo Sam George supporters wa ha, right? And me wo Michael so supporters wa ha. Michael supporters wa ha. Okay. Your first saying?
From Stephen Haji, Te Kudach.
Okay. Oh yeah, Honorable Michael Kwete Tete supporter. Grounds to saying
oh, yo ne wo wanugo pampran. Inga hope kan season no. Honorable Michael Kwete Tete emaye Sam Nate George.
Okay. So okay, Honorable Michael Kwete Tete be dim kunuma. Juma Honorable Sam George wabeye no. Eti saying say yakase susua geji eti saying.
Okay. Kawa yo ne wanugo pampran. Honorable Sam Nate George ne eba pewe noko ne wanugo pampran. Ona eba pewe noko ipo pe ne pe ne eba pe di otingba.
Ma pe noko na so wa meye hwe. Sam George nye hwe.
Onye hwe.
Okay.
Eti ko oyo po mana kan otingba ka to pe ne eba pe otingba ne wanugo mamo even otingba won apemomo ne emasi se ne le ba ne ebadura
otimpa ne aha baby we ya na ye de donated by Jata no enti na se ne obey ya ne se ode ne we ni be bo ho ne aye de
na aye da
eno ane adwuma Sam George aye wa
sa eno ane masa wa anya hwi wa
okay. Enti yefa Michael Bako and afa Sam George so Bako. Enti yebeko ni sa. So you speak for Sam George. Sam George, assemblyman no. Okay, mamene we enkasem you. Opening also what Sam George afa ho. Grounds to saying for the MP. Say MP ni buy Sam George obai onye hwe. Aside sa signboard ya wa ye de atetara pata no ho no. Onye adwuma bia wo ningo pram. Sa na de ne take.
Yo me da wa ase any Adom FM Adom TV ase any etiefo nyina wo mo hwe me da wo ase say mo abisa me sa question na say obi guso kan say Sam George obai onye hwe a na etre say onu akro oyo tromfo pa na onim ne ekoso wo Ghana otiningo na so oni ningo yes anka owo ningo a aka Sam bai obehu ni Sam aye e wo ningo ha na Sam oboni hu modi a Ghana fo anyina hu se oboni hu modi wehu ye wehu se woni ukra wo fie na munya mu wo ba be ma na wo ba no hu nya fa na koskoro ni mande a na ukra ni ba no ni mande a kasi mi kra ba we oni mande se mi ba no but gunu fi so no so ni mande na Sam be yi uhwe a Sam owo position na so born hu modi ba
den na waye o so waye adwuma den na waye
wa ma 1,000 street lights ewo ningo ha 1,000 street lights water nyinyina obai fro ona no lobby say yes hospital emaye ya obi mu na mo say NPP nurse na so NPP na ewo so na so obi lobby a emma utifie unim kwanso a hospital no fire sign edibai yesi see defense NPP wo mo ona mu ye na so unim ba bi kwa fire unim ono kwa wo mo lobby ansa na
what does say see defense no Sam George na lobby ansa na mbe wa
ansa na bai wo mo bisa si wo mo say onye hwe no wo mo mi pese obi mra no mo sinukuku say mi asimasi we na mi ko lobby ansa na ye be ye ono metrem wo hasasi a any hospital ni nyina wehu nti ni mami ni jade nanso oye bibi na sanu mami abajade on there bobo inti minimum say isuo na eto ewia na ebo Sam George on there we win that I say aka ebo a ebebo ama
medase pa Michael oh yeah Sam mami fa Michael kwete tete bako opinion for say
Anyanko Joshua
who support Honorable Michael kwete tete adentia
he support Michael kan le eyi MP lolopo se ni ne egepe ha won mamio isawangben de jama no me sa ne MP nepi enyo nepi
se opeso che se onya medi MP mpo no niam oye wa ha no esomani pa sa na opeso oche okay
yo ne be no pe my example kan ko ya mango chunya pio e ma police station e ma sine ke nga aban wa angelejo but no wa MP e pe no kono wo chiwo kam ne bla ba de ke se gba otin gba ne ma ni ne oti gba ema mo che ko oye wa lo le blo ni ebe no ma na ga lo le blo egbe ko odi o ke se ake ya mla po ewe mla wo he ke se ya wo mla se lo le blo le chapi ile ni le e ma pi se no e ma ba ye MP ole e de wo kan lo le blo no me ke ni o me ni ehin o kla e ma ba pi ha wo mu ne no ko ade lo ke e ayo be
okay, so me to say, say, answer na Honorable Sam George Babedi MP no Oshe Mobo, say Obeya Quine a day in Adia Mamo. And so nay, Mukabo Quine Soa, no at them say, Yadin Kwama Sabaja, Fieson Kosamra, a quine ye and Kanajumaho, a Casanamity,
pure home. Ke obile about common fund kan eko mo MP no ngelejon o common fund ne ebale mini jine no okegama wa lo keke de wo kese DCU ne ngelejon e sign we common fund ha ne man na ne ekma pe no ko hawo se eko mele o man na ne ekese eke o common fund le eko me ya ha traditional council bi ke ni ne se mala e model le ebu escale ne na maje ne ekma no ko ne ko ma se ko togumi ololo me jine ne enge pese pote ko che MP ke ba pote ne die se echo wo no ko pote ne epe ha ngoma nga ese na pote no wa be jama no ka ketu ngoma no yem no kesuo ke leke esuo e ba che wo no ko ne mas ngoma mi yem no ne ke ne ma pi ke se o tuno ne enge ma kla wa e ke nde ba pi ka ke one only otin gba no ne mas no.
Okay, it's the Honorable Sam George, the final part there. All right, the final part is the material. One more add to Ninchia say, Omra metre at the Bakwa, why your constituency ha? Aside apataya esi hanumi
yes mina yeah yo say utie nsema brand and kan no a eno no apata no ye baako o kire se Honorable Sam George edenu bia no okase this your teso wa krom hanum no say oba so ba beji common fund
this infama no
this your onsan kra no akwakoje nanso no ba he no na
MP akwaje common fund no and common traditional
council na so dey akoma nkrofo bi na nia ebo na ehia no ene Sam Honorable Sam George no so dey be man nkrofo bi na wodi sika na agu on botom eno na wotimi ye wo yie no firi on ma say mpuntu asem de enya ade e koso ebi koso hanum eno nti so onu Honorable Sam George oye MP no so tutumu pan se wa ye mpuntu djuma bi wi pata esi hanum a yesi na wo hodara na wa baba ye no Mike Nkrofo ne se omra no be kire na so kire se wei e na wa ye betimi aboa omamu ni nyina won wo beti ase na sabri de ade ba ko pekrapo ni honum a wo beka se wa ye e de aboa a woni ehun ye se wo ye e de aboa omanfo no sei e na eye won a woni eta Michael Kote echi no woni eka
okay Adom TV Adom 106.3 FM so person can be last one
ebeka ye blab atmunyu ke see defense ke hospital one angama angelejon omanaka those time one yiti mesange no MPP ba hinu ni waka akegbe wa bridge no nyangelejon ne kufo ne engelejon ni chene amba bridge o no go pay me as MPO e balejon ne lenwa na kan lem no e pie kufo he na ba pay no se kamna ngade ke se eke hospital on engelejon e pie he na anga pay yo bia ke ligbo na maka sword na amaje no amaje sisione amaje hospital sisione e balejon medase enti ba men ko Honorable Sam George but
Mama ya fa komo no enko ba bia apata no ewo no. Se be ya ahwefo ne atiefo won betumi ehu project Honorable Sam George according to constituency no why wa ha. So let's go. Ya ko ba bia apata no ewo no. Assemblyman yankasa also person kasa.
My brother, no, let's stand so I'll talk to everyone to hear because what they are saying is not true. So, let's go there. No, what they are saying is quite lie. It's total lie. It's not true. It's lie. What they are saying is not true because let me tell you something. Go to Ayan right now. You see ultra-modern KG classroom over there. It has been commissioned. That was last week. Go to Ayan. Go and see ultra-modern KG classroom.
I want to see.
Sam George. I'm telling you, go there and say right now, ultramodern KG broke over there. Who believes? Honorable Senator George. Now, come to this thing. Old Nego now. He has given each and we have 22 assignments in Nego Program. He has given each assignment 25 street lights for 60 races to fit in their electoral areas. Go ask. It has not happened before. I'm telling you. Now, St. George. Now he has
street lights in Ebini.
Yes.
Where I saw, are there signs? Oh
yes, please. You can come even come and witness it. It's working. He has given each assignment 25 street light to fit in their area for security reasons. Now, go to this thing. As you know, I was still surprised of what they are saying. Now, he has been paying school fees. Let me tell you, yeah, it's not everything that we say it. Let me say it. Sam George is somebody who is doing well in the plan. Nobody can compare him to Sam George. I'm telling you, because he has about 40 people that have been paid school fees for.
Okay. In 2 minutes here, wrap up our Hanum now. Okasadima, Honorable Michael.
Yeah.
All right.
Good morning, everyone. Honorable Michael has a track record that is unbreakable. And as we can see, Honorable Michael is doing a lot in the constituency. And I'm telling you on authority that on 30th May, Honorable Michael is going to win, hands down. I'm telling you on authority because Honorable Michael has donated. Honorable Michael has donated to the proper.
Okay, all right. Into the visa. Come 13th. Michael and I say Sam George.
Michael.
Okay, calm down. Let me listen to you. Mami
tell me that say pa sawa mami akonya we. Mami kan kire St. George ade a oye no MP bia on to me yes ade ama no. Sesi a ukwa boeko. Uko we dawa kwani so light pole ewo ho light ewo ho nyina St. George na ye uko ahwiam wasu wabi ewo honum then I person St. George ye or to people school fees more university size St. George ye enua na ye be vote amanu Mike here or cut down or MP on did da yeah, cause that from class 1 biomo. Setia ye was slow at ye bet to aso ama St. George. Nobody can change St. George in Nugo Pram. Nobody. Who is Mike here Tete?
Okay. Munyamute. All right, Eti, you're already also Adom 106.3 FM. You're already also Eti Egudumadi no eso. Munyamute. Meba, you've spoken already. What support wine?
Me support St. George. George. Pacho, media haminu, minion movie abekasa se. Michael, Tete, wayewe. Uye bibia.
Ede free old Ningo Pram. Abatwa Ebaso NDC Amanyokumu da memory da 13th of May 2023 from 7 a.m. to 5 p.m. Any other developmental conversation there were Ningo Pram and I want to say Chief Jerry Force ne amanfo ete epatam wono mo edi eho enko enche bibia womanatum ena pa yedwumadie ebaso mema nipa bes enum ticket bi mo atimi aba afi ena pa yedwumadie ebe na mbi say die ntina ofi say maame bi a wate obi ahwe no ye mo na ba so afi eti pacho note phone down no for line no down one maame no mo e be select mo no maame no nyina beba we nya ticket mo aba ma be join e wo enapa adwumade kese a ye de April the 14th of May 2023 by enapa adwo na maame ka say me ko aso asene me ye de ebre wa kwam e Duffy's Health and Beauty, Actigard, Evermilk, Safari Tissues, ADB, Savannah Paint from Azar, Oba Spaghetti, Grace Gift Herbal, Onga, Bush Bee Honey, Ketepa Pride Tea, Chocho Body Wash, Jobert Memorial Herbal Center, Savida Bonure Kente, Ellis Detergent, ATL, Escort Security Services, na fe Pepsi. When me kwa do bi na so yasna, yere afi and a pay adwumade no broadcast on the 14th of May 2023 at 4 p.m. live on Adom TV. Live ewa obenye bi etimi ahwe. One for na second so enkoma Piwak Health Care. Obana kofa 3P garlic mixture. So area badwa so ba pato bu se ohuna mane. O te so sa ensebu ni kwase nkoba o tete ewo ho esanse sabi mo ye fi na efiri ho akoma mo jamono abehye anam. So bu nsa na se onya pains ewo mu a eche se sintobi abababi eba nsa de onya 3P garlic mixture. Wa na nsa no na yetiti ase mu fere se ananse na echo ananse nye nipa na acho. Mr. Wada pe ho dure no na ntu ase efon esanse edise na ekosa na afi wakwa wuram na wakonya stroke yade enso ewom me pacho high sugar level sanso enamo a o blood pressure enso ewoso no unya 3P garlic mixture pebito ewo Okanshi Kofi Sam and Kings Walk Kumasi ewo Danny Herbal and Colinac Ho ewo Albert Sam Herbal Takrade eye AA Mensan Sunyane eye Green Light Pharmacy Biania Frame 0248 928-824 0248-928-824 Kaisa 3P garlic mixture no there be a glass bottle emu with red cavanagh red garlic and so eda ehun to a nampacho wash and so eda mai so na make say tissue papa de no ane safari tissue almost can be na fe de and apa adwumade ebro fright also ewo mu ebie no achi Fortune Right Fonso ejejem de partners kese pe no mo na eye adwuma no ti onya safari tissue enso safari tissue de no na de pa yanim na aboa fifire nyina de frodom de amaye se na ujai handkerchief ayusu a ade hye anan eye safari tissue emodu ese handkerchief no people woni mu anu atwatwene no asai fufuro se na bia kofa yade bia ensa efan choba any restaurant na mo hia ebi Muntobe na mu ye pa just consult ensu nem so wada person su ade ewo amonone say UK and say USA just consult and American for the amomada roment in Ghana this year over 2000 enya kwanya ebi kura kuta scholarship edi suya de UK any US so person o tire IELTS and I say ebia estate na Nigeria just consult betimi aboa na ewom so yesen pato wo japade bi a wo ton ana pa japade bi atonwa from na onye hojuma isie f mona mane 0555 631 633 0555 631 633 just consult say excellence is our hallmark afei over to me afre 0302 na chirayen 211701 up to 4 0302 211 701 211-702 211-703 and 211-704 na echre maame bi a wate obi ehwe no enye ne ba eno no dieti na wo free se sa maame no ye mo na ba so afi se utimi ego through a ye ma take it free one maame kro no nyina ma take it motimi aba afi and apa adwumadi a Adom TV Adom 106.3 FM afi Asempa 94.7 FM ye ne fright on afi 14 rice akambom de ebrewo eti obetimi afre se na nipa wati obi ehwe no enye ne ba eno no enye ne ba eno no eti mpacho few minutes here obetimi afre 0302 211 701 0302 211 702 0302 211 703 and afa 0302 211 704 mefa nipa krebe. Charles, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Boko de.
Yango kwana dumo.
Maame ben na o nominate no ama ya bona baso afi.
Bacho me nominate mame comfortmente.
Okay. Die tira ma nominate no.
Bacho waye adi bebre mame a medwen wa nti afi. Wa me fiti mo fasi ABC system. Che if you kwa maka senka veteran so wa me.
Okay.
More than that.
But eti yabajo number which na afro eche. Akismi, good morning. Akismi, good morning.
Good morning, Ofa.
Boko de.
Ofa dunya shiri nyame adome ho ede pa matamfo na ebre.
Maame be na ka yamo na baso afi.
Maame Ofa nyakopon shira sebe pa ni force sa abofra ho be ese no be nya fa asempa na efi na awofo. Na bo wa na awofo afiri anebia na awofo nya hwe no. Sa dia me de o kota kwansuta. Maame bo e fra no amina ba wa wati K15. Sa maame agi obi ba a wa hye akora no. Wona kotu adwumam ama akora no enne akora no pon ho a wo ye master. Di obedi na ofise maame be fa abofra ye wonya abofra tina ya abofra ye oba. Maame misa 1000 o misa taku o misa sempoa efiri akora ye fo hoda. Awofo nyina so tiase omumui. Ba maame ne kwala dɔɔso ne ma dɔɔso. Owo ma be 6. Ba wasafa obi ba aka ne ho a wo hye no. Nti metre se amina ba wa awota konsuta o nya pase na paye mo ba so papa.
But Akismi abejo number wa chiro na ye no atwas. Mami afia, good morning. Mami afia, good morning.
Morning, Daddy.
Boko de.
Pacho nyame ado me honye pa.
Ye da nyame ase o na ye me last call anti. Mami be na ye mo na ba so afi.
Dan pacho mi sister mi di mechi too.
Okay.
My sister na boa me 22 years ame mami from say anka ntro say enya me mami a onji dinka. It's me the necessity me bush. E ka se mami na shira me. The person surprise when any ndasa me frɛ.
Okay.
Enka be ya me dey cause my sister na boa me.
Okay. That's it, that's me afia. Timu a mutimi efre ne nyina o china. Obetimi aba Adom TV kokomlemle bebi a Joy FM e wona beju ticket oba so hwe thema. Na on file ticket Emma na muntimi emra jumadi e be ko front so na so hwe thema ye be frɛ na ma na audio ticket mpacha oba ya fa ID card council be ya obi emesi wachi emeji wo de ye mo mo ma friend oba na ja do ID card account na ye timi ho pepepe na ye de amausa ya de ma se o china no panso ye besa e de ye so china nkomo kase bi ho ya me no ebedie medin de akwasinsi and asekese kuma production team Waba Kofi Ampadu, Dominic is here, Boa, Thema, Daniel, any new customer, yeah, yes, I can like camera sound, MCA, Munina da Munina Masi.